Going on, everybody, man. So it comes to my attention that a lot of us that's on YouTube that are streamers don't know how to really use redirect, or as we may say, raid. So if you guys already know, on Twitch you can raid somebody at the end of your stream. That way basically you can show people some love, basically, right? You can go in, you can say, hey man, this is my people, I want to introduce you to my people, and yeah, you know, show some love. So I want to make a quick video on basically how to do this, because there's two separate ways to, it's kind of the way, let me say this, it's kind of the same way, but it's two separate ways. And so I want to show you guys that real quick. That way you guys can get a feel for how to do it. So that way, you know, if you guys want to start rating people, you definitely can. So that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into it, man. Let's jump into it. Right, we go through a quick scenario, right? I just made a quick test stream real quick. So in the scenario, after you got, I'm pretty sure you already know how to do this already. After you're already gone and kind of like got your stream set up and everything you want to do. So this is the first one that I really don't, I mean, it's okay. Like I said, it's kind of the same thing what you're doing, but I rather the other way. I'm gonna show you guys, but I'm gonna show y'all just the regular way, right? So down here on the edit button right here, you go to your edit button. This is, like I said, as you're going through streaming your setting, whether you're doing a scheduled stream or you're doing just a straight out stream straight out front, you go to your customization, and right here, if you are also, just to, if I probably didn't make this clear, you also make sure you have to be in the YouTube partner to do this, guys. So 1,000 subscribers, or I think it's what, 500 now, 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours. So you may be, if I'm not mistaken, I don't know, you have to quote me, but you may have to go and look. But I think now you can do it if you are just a YouTube partner now. But as far as I know, before it was like you have to be 1,000 subscribers and also 3,000 watch hours. But then again, I may be wrong. But if you have this redirect here, then you definitely have it. Okay, so we're gonna put it like that. All right. So anyway, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and go to your add button here, guys. And so it's gonna ask you, of course, like, hey, do you want to like have them directly to like one of your videos you already have? I'm like, no, of course not, right? So you will go here, and as you can see, all these beautiful people come up. So what you can do is basically you can go ahead and put it in the motion saying, hey, when my stream finishes for the day, I want my stream to go to Sarah Hime or Rebecca or Dirty Says. The problem with that, though, right, is that if you are streaming and for some reason they cut their stream short, your best guy luck. It is still going to go to their video, but they won't be live, right? They're gonna be gone. So you're just basically redirecting everybody to a video that they made. Now, of course, unless you want to do that, that's fine. I mean, if you want to do that, but most of the time we want to actually get people that's on and moving around. So what I suggest doing. But yeah, so basically, like I said, guys, you would have it to where you would have an open studio right here, basically, where right here you would have an open studio right here, and then basically it would basically be doing the same thing, guys. You would open the studio, it would literally bring you back to that edit part I told you guys about earlier here, right? It would bring you back, it would literally do the same thing. It would bring you back here, you would go to edit, customization, and then you would choose your redirect. And the reason why I say do it like this, guys, is because for the simple fact that you can then see who's actually online right then and there. And as I said, I would just choose this, right? So after I would end the stream here, let's see if it's gonna ask me. See, now it's gonna say your stream will stop immediately and anyone who's watching will be sent here. So it lets you know right in there that it's gonna do that. So once you end it, it's gonna go here. It's gonna ask you, don't miss out. People are going to watch something to Sarah Hime. So you would push the go now button. And because my stuff is being weird, it does this automatically. But if you're on the other end, if you are part of the people that's are in the chat, it would automatically bring you to over there. For some reason, because I'm in studio, it doesn't allow me to do it. So, but yeah, guys, that's it. That's it. I'm sorry. I was trying to do both ways, but it was just camera was all messing up and stuff. It was blah, blah. But no, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this, man. If you guys have any questions that I, for some odd reason, or was blah blah blah, and you couldn't understand what I was saying, hit me up. Let me know down in the comments below. I will help you out the best way I can. And thank you guys so much for coming through my to my TED Talk. You guys are awesome. You guys have a wonderful day. Peace.